So firstly, consider a charged ring, circular ring with radius a. With radius a, and we want to find, and it is a charged ring, so consider positive charge is given to this ring all over the and we want to find the electric field due to this charged ring at any point P. So let this distance be x. Okay, now we know the formula for electric field is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. But this formula is only valid for point charge. It is only valid for point charge, so we can't apply this formula. So we have to consider, and this charge is not a point charge, it is very continuous body of large size, so we can't apply. So let's consider a point charge here. So consider this length, only this length. Let this length be dl, and we want to find electric field due to this part on this point. So consider this distance b. So consider this distance b r. Yes, you can say r. So this distance is r. So now this small length dl. So small length is dl, and it has charge that is dq. So what is the formula for electric field now? Due to this small part, electric field due to this small part. This small part is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dq over r square. And what is the value of r? We don't know. So we can apply a Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle. So r is a square plus x square the whole root. So r square is equal to x square plus a square. So r comes out to be a square plus x square. So we can put the value 4 pi epsilon naught dq over a square plus x square the power half. So now the task is to evaluate what is the value of dq. So we know circumference of circle is 2 pi r, that we know, and our radius is a, so it is 2 pi a, and it has charge q. So 2 pi a surface has charge q. So 1 has q upon 2 pi a. So only dl length has charge q upon 2 pi a into dl. So this is the value of our dq. So this is the value of dq. This much amount of charge is present on the length dl. So we can substitute this value of our electric field. So electric field become 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon 2 pi a into dl. Got it? And there is also a square plus x square की power half. Okay, now the task is to find, but we know electric field is a vector quantity, so we have to find the direction also. So it is positive charge, and due to positive charge electric field is outwards. If there is positive charge, electric field is outwards like this. So it is a positive charge, and here is the point, so electric field direction is this. Electric field direction is this, and this is our horizontal line and this is our electric field and this angle is theta. So we can resolve this because it is a vector quantity, so we can resolve in this direction and in this direction. Got it? So this part is, so this is x direction, this is y direction. So Ex is equal to E cos theta and Ey is equal to E sin theta. So it is clear to you कि this electric field is dissolved into two components, E cos theta and E sin theta. And if we consider this small surface, this dl length, due to this we want to find the electric field which is like this. So due to this, electric field direction is this and this angle is also theta because it is center, passing through the center. So this electric field, let it be E2, yeah, but the value is same because the length is same, then this and distance is same, so value of electric field is also same, so it is E also. And this can be resolved into two components, E cos theta and E sin theta. So it is E sin theta and this component is E cos theta. So this component and this component are at 180-degree angle. So this and this cancel out. So only the x component remain for electric field. So direction is E is equal to Ex I cap. So only the x component is there, E vector. So now we can write ki Ex is equal to E cos theta. And we know we have find the value of E, we can substitute here, that become 1, we can write 1 by 4 pi k epsilon naught is k, again we have to write again and again. So 2 pi a dl upon a square plus x square the power half and cos theta. Write on next page. So I again write on the new page, E is equal to Ex is equal to k q upon 2 pi a q upon 2 pi a square plus x square the power half and cos theta. And I think one thing more, that is dl, that is dl. So this is the value of now we can find the value of cos theta because there is dl and this is small electric field, so we have to write dex. It is small electric field due to dl length, and for finding the total electric field we have to integrate. So integrate both sides, k constant, q constant, 2 pi a constant, and integration comes out to be dl cos theta upon a square plus x square the power half. Now we have to find the value of cos theta. So we can again go back to this diagram, and you can see if this angle is theta and this angle is vertical opposite angle, this is the line and this is the line, so this is the vertical opposite, so this angle is also theta and this angle is 90 degree. So this is our base and this is our perpendicular and this is our hypotenuse. So we can find the value of cos theta. We know cos theta is equal to b by h, base by hypotenuse. So what is the base? This value is the base and this is x. And what is the hypotenuse? R, and R has value a square plus x square the power half. So cos theta become x upon root a square plus x square the power half. And by mistake the electric field formula is r square, and r square has value x square plus a square, so this half is not there. Sorry for that. This half is not there. This half is not there. And now this half is not there. Okay, so we can substitute the value of cos theta, 2 pi a dl x upon a square plus x square and a square plus x square the power half. So this is our net. Now a is constant because it is radius, x is constant because it is a x is the distance on which we are finding the electric field. So all this we can take out from the integration. So x a square plus x square the power 3/2 and integration में रह गया dx. And this integration is all about this is the dl integration. What is dl? It is the length of the circular ring. So by integrating we get the whole ring. So we can write it the length of the whole ring. Length of the whole ring, and that length is circumference, basically circumference. So Ex is equal to kqx upon 2 pi a square plus x square the power 3/2 into 2 pi a, and we can cut 2 pi a. So the net answer become Ex is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught qx upon x square plus a square upon 3/2. So this is the net electric field due to a charged ring at any point lying on the axis of the ring. And you can discuss the special cases if x becomes 0. So this is the center of the ring, this point is center of ring, then electric field become 0. So at the center of ring no electric field, and you can see that from the diagram. So this is the center. So due to this portion electric field is in this direction, due to this portion electric field is in this direction, due to this portion electric field is this direction, due to this portion electric field is in, so all are equal and opposite, so cut each other, and at the center electric field become 0. So if you have further doubts you can ask me, but I think it will be clear to you after seeing this. So thank you.